If you have been thinking about how to start a profitable ebook business or a digital product business here in Nigeria or maybe outside Nigeria, and you're watching this right now, then this is the video for you. Make sure to watch this video to the end, because in today's video I'm going to show you top 5 ebook niches that you can focus on to start making money from digital product or from ebook. All right, if this is your first time of coming onto my channel, you're welcome. I'm so excited to have you on this channel. Here on this channel we talk about how you can do stuffs online, how you can make money for yourself and grow your business. So since this is your first time, or maybe you're visiting again, please do well to support me by liking and making sure that you subscribe, and make sure that you hit the notification bell, guys. It's very important, so you don't miss whenever I share content like this. So I'm assuming that you want to get into ebook business, or you want to get into digital product business, and you don't really know what to do. You don't know which of the niches to concentrate on. Now I'm going to share these 5 niches for you. Even if you are not in that area of expertise, you can still make money from those niches. For example, I am not in the I am not in some niches. There are some niches I'm not in, and I still make money from it. For example, this screenshot you are seeing here is money made from ebook that I created. Are you seeing this now? I'm not really a specialist in that area, but I know things that people don't know, and that's why I can make money from what I want to teach you. So I've been doing it, so it's not a first time thing, it's not the 10th time I'm doing it. All right, so let's get straight into the video. Number 1 on my list is make money online niche. It's just a side hustle. A lot of people are constantly looking for ways to make extra cash from the internet, and this is something that will always trend. All right, this is a very hot topic. In fact, if I'm to put this topic into ranking, I would say this is number 1 on the list. All right, so as long as people will continue to look for information online on how to make money online, this is going to continue to be a hot niche for you. So if you know anything you are doing that brings money to you using the internet, you can teach it using an ebook. You can sell ebooks and make a lot of money. So this is the hottest niche, one of the hottest niche, if not the hottest. This is one of the hottest niche that if you start today, you will start making a lot of money. Okay, now that is number 1. Number 2 is self-improvement and productivity. Now I'm shooting this video in December 2025. Maybe you're watching this maybe later on in 2026. I'm shooting this video in 2025, December 3rd specifically. Now, as we are shifting from December into a new year, a lot of people will be looking for how to improve themselves. Are you getting it now? So topics like time management, topics like goal setting, topics like how to improve your habits, how to improve your mental awareness, evergreen stuff you can be doing to improve yourself, how to become a professional, how to do this, how to do that to become better. A lot of people will be looking for how to improve themselves. So if you have any self-improvement tips that you can give to people and package it in an ebook, you are going to make a lot of money. In case you don't know what an ebook is, let me just explain. An ebook is just a book that people can read online. Are you getting now? If you don't know how to create ebooks, go to the link in the description. I'll drop a link there for a link to one of my videos I created on how to create ebooks in 10 minutes. All right, now that is number 2. Number 3 on my list is health and fitness. Health and fitness, you can even join it with diet plan. So let's say you are a fitness coach, you know about workouts, you know about how to lose weight, how to do all these things that relates to health and fitness. You can be making money by selling your ideas as an ebook. Ebooks on quick weight loss, quick weight gain, healthy eating, home workouts, and meal preps are all in demand today. A lot of people are looking for these things online. If you go online to Facebook groups, you're going to find people looking for such information. So if you are a fitness person, you're very good with teaching people how to lose weight, how to gain weight, how to create nutritional plans that can help people to, gain weight and improve their health and their fitness. This is a niche for you. Okay, you can make a lot of money from this niche. That's number 3. Number 4 is digital skills or tech tutorial. If you are very good with gadgets, you are very good with teaching people about tech stuffs, you can start selling your ideas in an ebook, teaching people practical skills like AI tools, like social media marketing, like graphic design, like coding. All these things are things that people are checking online. They need someone to teach them. So if you package these things online as an ebook, you will make a lot of money. Okay, if you're getting value from this, please make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you turn on the notification bell. Now that's my number 4. Before I go to number 5, right, this is very important. Before I go to number 5, if you are willing, you are ready to learn how to start making money from ebook business, I'm going to drop a link in the description. I'm also going to pin it to the comment section. Make sure to check it. All right, make sure to check it. When you check it, it's going to take you to where you are going to make a purchase to get access to all the information that you need. This is a very smooth business you can do that does not involve you to leave your house. It does not involve you to have laptop. You can do it from your phone. My first ebook was created with my phone. Are you getting now? It does not involve you to be an expert in that field. For instance, you can create ebook about travels. Let me not go into that. Let's go to number 5. So do well. Before we get to number 5, check the link in the description for more details if you want to get my ebook course. All right, my ebook mastery program. I created it just for you. So number 5 is relationship and personal development. This is another hot niche that can never die till Jesus come. You know why? Because people must get into relationship, because people must divorce, because people must have failed relationship, because people must marry, because people must date themselves. Are you getting now? Now, because of all these things, people are definitely going to need dating advice. People are going to need to know how to build confidence to approach the kind of woman they want, or to present themselves, or to look for the kind of man they want to get married to. Are you getting now? So this is going to trend for singles, it's going to trend for married people. It's a very hot niche that will make you a lot of money if you have something valuable to share. Are you getting now? So these are my 5 top ebook niches that you can start with if you are looking at going into digital product business, if you are looking at going into ebook business. That is all we are going to do for this video. I believe that you got value from this video. If you got value from this video, please make sure that you like, make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you turn on your notification bell. If you have questions for me, drop it in the comment section. If there's a video you want me to make, drop it in the comment section. I'll check it. If it's something that everybody wants, I'm going to create that video for you. Please don't forget to check the link in the description. I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy.